The RAPID project will save lives. It delivers an early warning system to detect critical deterioration in transport system infrastructure and minimize disruption and delays to critical supply chains by combining and extending drone technology. RAPID also reduces time, costs, and greenhouse gas emissions. The first step of RAPID methodology is the service request. Customers submit inspection services requests through a web interface that prioritizes incident response. The interface is hosted by the port, together with the Resident Service Command and Control Center. This comprises the augmented drone simulator, which leverages a port digital twin synchronized with the port reality data, like weather or traffic activity, which makes it possible to predict safety. The RAPID Safety by Design approach embeds a hierarchy of safety controls to safeguard transport system users and inspection personnel. It allows elimination of unknown points of structural failure, more frequent condition surveys without a higher cost, early preventative maintenance thanks to automated MI workflows, and isolation of inspection personnel from the hazard of physically marking structural faults.